We are looking at how to pronounce these names. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing names of different origins. Stay tuned until the end of the video and to the channel to learn more, but let's get down to the pronunciation. The most common pronunciation in English is Rosalyn. Len. Some may say it as Rosalyn as well. Now the middle syllable is sometimes skipped, the Z syllable. Many say it as Rosalyn as well. How do you say it yourself? Some others may pronounce it as Rosalyn as well. How do you say it? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. And here you'll find more videos to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.